won't talk about this issue. They won't even talk about how much stress they're under.
And data from a 2016 CDC study actually showed suicide rates in agriculture jobs were 1.3 times the national average for male workers. But a grant awarded to the Indiana Department of Agriculture could be a step towards lowering those numbers, as Rose McBride talked with a Clark County farmer.
Terry Vissing has been busy this week, rushing to harvest soybeans before bad weather rolls through.
Harvest is in full bloom right now.
It's one of the busiest seasons for farmers. Just one stressor on a list of many. Costs have gone up. Weather can make or break a season, as well as both geographic and pandemic-related isolation. It's something that cost a friend of Vissing's his life.
The young fellow just got in debt too heavy, and he had 4 children, and just the stress levels of being in debt, and then everything else that's associated with living just got to him, and he committed suicide.
That's something the State Department of Agriculture hopes doesn't happen to anyone else. The department is using a recently awarded $500,000 grant and partnering with the Indiana Rural Health Association and Purdue Extension to put on 23 community workshops across Indiana. The meetings will bring much needed resources to these communities.
A lot of those are going to really shake up a lot of rural communities that aren't talking about their mental health right now.
One goal is to start a conversation and let people know that it's okay to ask for help, as well as how they can ask.
How do we access care? How do we utilize the care that does exist? What telehealth options are available? Does our broadband access support telehealth options? And how can we destigmatize getting that help and support each other?
That support system is something Vissing says he's lucky to have.
Fortunately, in my realm of friends, it's talked about.
They have those tough conversations about mental health and ensure that isolation never becomes too much.
We sort of all look out for each other.
In Clark County, Rose McBride, WHAS 11 on your side.